Hello everybody, it is Stephanie. I want to show you two of my pots. Okay, these are my stainless steel pots right here. I love stainless steel because they really don't scratch. I don't care what you do with them, they're not going to scratch. So I like the fact that they do not scratch. And like this one here is my Farberware, which I've had for 1,000 years probably, and I still use it. It's a little bit bigger than this one. So it depends on what what I have to cook. I might use this one and get it done. Now, but this one here has a plastic handle, and I'm going to say that the plastic handle can sometimes get burnt, and the screw sometimes comes out of these kind of handles. So, I like them, but just be aware that the screw could come out, when it gets hot. It'll start to, you have to screw it back in. But this, so far, I don't think I had to do it to this one, okay? This is a nice pan. You see, it's just plain stainless steel, great pan, and I think this top goes with it. I'm not positive. But what I find is any of these tops fit with all of them, generally speaking. They all fit. This one's a little taller than this one, but the top still fits on all of them, okay? So I can't really tell you which top goes with what. I really don't know. But then this one here is my Cuisinart. And my Cuisinart is my love. I love it a lot. I like the handle on it. And the handle is usually cool when I'm, when I'm cooking. I don't have to worry too much about getting burnt while I'm trying to mess around with my pots and stuff. I love the back because it's even distribution, heating on it. So I really like that. And it's got a nice weight to it. It's got a really, really nice weight to it. So I do like my Cuisinart, and I use that. Gravy, and I use this, vegetables, and it really works well. Again, I've had this pot, or Farberware, forever, forever. So I like them both, and I just want to show you two pots that I like.